Good morning, students. I hope you have started learning your this chapter, Unit 3, that is Computer Network. Yesterday, I gave you some brief introduction about the types of network. Today, we are covering the next topic, that is network topology. Now, understand what is network topology. As I told you earlier, topology is just a pattern in which we arrange, in which we connect our computer and computer networks. Fine, students. Now let us see the. According to your syllabus, you need to cover the 4 topologies. These are bus topology, ring topology, star topology, and mesh topology. Yes, students. So let us begin with the first topology, that is bus topology. In this, you can see the arrangement of computer in this figure in front of you. बेसिकली नोड एक मेन लाइन से कनेक्टेड होते हैं एंड इस लाइन को बैकबोन कहते हैं. बैकबोन के दोनों एंड पे टर्मिनेटर्स होते हैं. फाइन. ये टर्मिनेटर्स लगे होते हैं जिससे कोई डेटा लॉस नहीं होता. Yes, what is bus topology? Bus topology is a topology for local area network in which all the nodes are connected to a single cable. The starting and ending point of cable is called terminator. Fine. हर एक कंप्यूटर आपका एक स्मॉल केबल से इस बैकबोन के साथ कनेक्टेड होता है. Fine, students. Now, what are the advantage? It is very easy to install. As you can see, installation is very easy. If the backbone is going in front of your system, you can easily connect with that backbone, and this is the, you can say, simplest topology. Second one, it requires less cable length and hence is cost effective. Definitely, as you can see, if backbone is very close to you, you need only the wire length to connect your computer with backbone. So cable length is very less, the required cable length is very less, and that's why it is cost effective. Now next one is failure of nodes does not affect the network. If a system goes down, it doesn't affect the network as your data is carried by the backbone only. Your system won't interrupt the entire network. Now, what are the disadvantage? In case of cable or terminator fault, the entire network breaks down. अगर आपके टर्मिनेटर या फिर आपकी बैकबोन खराब हो जाती है तो पूरा नेटवर्क बंद हो जाता है. Not suitable for large number of computer. Definitely it is very difficult to connect a large number of system with backbone. Again, the data loss will be high if we try to connect large number of computers in bus topology. At a time, one node can transmit data. Yes, this is the biggest restriction, that your if one node is communicating with, let's suppose first node is communicating with third node, rest of the node have to wait for ending that communication, otherwise the data will get mixed up, there will be erroneous data. So at a time only one node can transmit the data, rest have to wait. So it is again a biggest disadvantage of this topology. Okay, next one is star topology. You can easily see in this topology what happens. We have multiple computers, we have one device that is called either hub or switch through which we connect all the computers. Fine, students. A star topology is based on a central node which acts as a hub. A star topology is common in home network where all the computers connect to a single central computer using it as a hub. And normally you can see this topology in your computer lab also. Yes, your all system is connected with a switch or hub with wire, and they interact with those using that central node. Okay, now advantages are what? It is easy to troubleshoot, as your hub indicates which system is not working. So troubleshooting is very easy. Troubleshooting means the error detection and correction is very easy in case of your star topology. Next is a single node failure does not affect the entire network. Definitely, if a system goes down, it do not affect rest of the systems or the network at all. Your network will continue working very fine even if a system fails. Fault detection and removal of faulty part is easier. Okay, then again, next one is in case of workstation fails, the network is not affected. Okay, now one more advantage is disadvantage. Disadvantage is what? Difficult to expand. Definitely your expansion of network depends on the number of port available on your hub or switch. If switch is having only 8 ports, you can maximum connect 8 computers with each other. If you are having only 4 port hub, then only 4 port you can connect. So expansion is a little bit difficult, but not that much, as we can increase the number of connection with the installing hub with good number of ports, or connecting multiple hubs. We can also do, we can also expand like that. Now next is longer cable length is required. Definitely longer cable length is required because each system need to be connected with your central node. Fine. The cost of hub and the longer cable makes it expensive over others. Yes, a little bit more expensive than your ring topology and bus topology, but advantages take over this disadvantage. In case of hub fails, the entire network goes down. What does it mean in case of hub fails? If your central node through which you are connecting all the computer that do not work properly, then your entire network goes down. Fine, students. Next is your tree topology. Tree topology, as you can see this figure, the nodes are connected in the form of tree. Yes, the root node is the first one on the topmost, that is known as root node. It has a root node and all other nodes are connected to it, forming a hierarchy. It is also called hierarchical topology. It should at least have 3 levels of hierarchy. This is very important in tree topology, that there must be at least 3 levels, otherwise it won't be treated as hierarchical or tree topology. Okay, now what are the features of tree topology? Ideal if workstation are located in groups. Yes, like if you can see here, there are 2 computer labs. Yes, so one tree is using one branch of tree may indicate your first computer lab, then second branch of tree may indicate the second computer lab, then the main server are connecting the server of computer lab 1 and computer lab 2, like this. If the systems are located in groups, multiple groups in your organization, you can go for the tree topology. Basically, this is a wide area network topology. This is not basically a LAN topology. Okay. So, what are the advantages? Extension of bus and star topology. See, what does it mean? See, in one place we can implement the bus topology, in other branch we can implement the star topology, and after that we can connect it with the main route, which will make it tree topology. Yes, so it is the extension of bus and star topology. Expansion of node is possible and easy as we need to take one more branch from any of the route or subroute. Yes, easily managed and maintained. We can easily maintain it as each branch can be treated a sub network and can be managed or maintained separately. Okay, error detection is easily done. Fine student, I think so this is very easy advantage. Now what are the disadvantage? Heavily cabled, yes, cable is required, then costly as compared to your star bus. This is costly. If more nodes are added, maintenance is difficult. Definitely we need to maintain each and every branch, so maintenance will become a little bit more difficult if more node will get connected. Central hub fails, network fails. Yes, if your root node fails, the entire network will be divided into multiple branches, so whole network will get failed. Now mesh topology is what? In mesh topology, each and every computer is connected with other computer. You can see that in your figure. Mesh topology is a group of nodes which are all connected to each other, and many types of connections are possible in a mesh topology. What are the advantage? The arrangement of network node in such that it is possible to transmit data from one node to many other nodes at the same time, and fault diagnosis is easy. Now what are disadvantage? The installation and configuration is difficult, cabling cost is more, and bulk writing is required. Fine students, so this is about your topologies. Soon I will post these notes as well as some exercise for you. Thank you.